Bum ba bum 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 bum. I could be a musical instrument. I feel like I could maybe just play all types of musics, like a beatbox or something. What is that called? I'm a beatboxer. What's going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Look at the move this morning. The Patrick Wieland indicator giving you the setup here. We had a long off of this 50 level. Look at it. It knew before the market even made the move. That's pretty impressive. How did it know? I don't know. But we had a long signal there here on the indicator. So the Patrick Wieland breakout right there from the 50s up there to a high of still going, basically. So, all right, all right. Good morning, good morning. I got to change these up. I want to make this like 12, make this 6, make this 3. Take profits there. I think that looks better. Look at that. Take profit all the way up there. The Nasdaq going straight up here, going into open. Guess what we got going on? Guess what? Guess what? Kind of looking a lot like yesterday with that hourly fucking candle, huh? Interesting. We had that big hourly candle at 8 a.m. yesterday, and we just dumped right at open. So, will today be a repeat? The $1 million question. We are currently, yesterday we closed here at 8:12. 8:12 close yesterday on the Nasdaq. So, if we look right now, we're about 100 points. We got a gap about 100 points there. So, big old gap-a-rooney there. Big old gap-a-rooney there. Oh, buddy. Buddy. Maybe get a big sell-off here today. Let's find out. We're sitting back. We're waiting. We're watching. It's time to party either way. So, let's see what happens here. We got possibilities, baby. We got possibilities. Possibilities here. Right now, we're looking at the Lux Algo market flow trend lines and liquidity. This is my new indicator, the Patrick Wieland indicator. It's live on YouTube. We're on TradingView. I have it set up right now. If you're wondering, right now my slope 1.05. Trend lines, all that fun stuff. You can trade this free right now on TradingView. So don't sit here and be like, Patrick, you never tell us when to buy. Well, there's actually an indicator that will not tell you when to buy, but it works. We'll see. Will it be deja vu today? We will find out, huh? Looking at the bigger picture right now, hourly chart. Let's look at the hourly chart. Let's get rid of all this. Let's get rid of these pivot points for now on the bigger time frames here. We can see we have that big imbalance here back down to the 84s. We closed yesterday down here at the kind of 800 level. We got the previous day low down there at the 93 area. So we've got the previous week low there at the 857s. Will we get a repeat? It would be kind of interesting to see how this plays out today if we get a big squeeze up today. Everybody hoping and praying for a repeat of yesterday, and then it does the exact opposite. We've seen that happen before as well. You don't want to, you don't want to be like, hey, yesterday we went up 100 points and then we sold 100 points, so I'm going to short right at open. Don't get too quick. Every day is a new day. It's like when you play roulette, right? You go play roulette and, you're sitting there and you're like, for like 4 or 5 hands in a row, black or red has hit. It's like red hits. And you're like, well, there's no way that it's going to hit red again, right? Like it's got to hit black. Like it's got to, right? And then all of a sudden, it fucking hits red again. So it's a lot like roulette sometimes here in the stock market. Roulette, basically. We're playing roulette. It's 50-50. We're going up, we're going down. We're going to find out. Right now, the market at the 920s. Big move up after these numbers this morning. off of the 840 level. We had a breakout on the Patrick Wieland indicator for about, I don't know, let's say you got in here, let's say you took profit there, about 30 points, and then, I don't know, maybe you bought this dip again. I mean, fuck it, it's a fucking 100 points there, baby. I'm calling it. Patrick Wieland breakout, 100-pointer, almost there. We still got some more room for 100, but right now, the market pushing up here. We'll see what happens today. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We are doing it live on YouTube every single day, my friends. The dollar is selling off here at 9:30, and the red B would mean a short. Well, that was at 7 o'clock, so it did move down from the 49s down here to the 38s. I will say one thing. You want to be careful about, like, with this indicator is if we're kind of ranging, you know, if we're in a range, you really got to be careful that sometimes you're going to get these trend line breaks inside that range, and you're not going to get as, you know, big of a move, obviously, when we're still inside that range. We broke out of the range here, so it was a bigger move, but this indicator is definitely a lot more powerful when we're trending, when there's a trend, you know, and we're not just chopping around. You got to be careful. Yeah. And then also, like, one thing that I like to think about as well, and you also don't want to, I would say, you don't want to take a signal based on a smaller time frame when the overall, maybe the larger time frame is, you know, if let's say we're trending higher on like the 15-minute time frame, like, well, maybe I don't want to be taking a short, you know, as long as we're trending higher on the 15-minute time frame. Look at this. We had a signal right there at 6:15 from the 840s, so that was a 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I think you just really want to make sure that you're not fighting the trend. The trend is your friend, right? So don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rhythm and the place that you used to. I know that you want to be like me, but you can't be like me too, because I'm looking so good. Yeah, don't fight the trend. The trend is your friend. It's that simple, all right? The indicator is not available on Topstep X, only on TradingView for now. So, TradingView, free. Topstep X, not, well, Topstep X, you just can't use it yet here. Can't, like, why is I feel like my head's a little bright. It's a little bright. I feel like it's a little bright. Why is it so bright in here? I don't know. I feel like it's bright. Things are looking bright around here. Any guess today? 100 points, 200 points, 1 million points, basically. Where's the guy from yesterday? Said we're going to go up to 16,200. What's the plan today? He's going to say 15,300. 16,200. Wang Axelong. Wang Axelong. I don't know if he's trying to troll me with that name or what, but Patrick, if the market opens up with a big push up like this, would you expect a big pullback at open? I mean, I expect nothing. Basically. No expectations, you know? Right now on the hourly chart, we're pushing up here, having a little bit of resistance up at the 20s. There's nothing really like out. I mean, maybe this kind of, there's not like a ton of resistance. I think we got, you know, more room to push up here a little bit more if we're going to push up. Like, are we going to get stuck right here? I don't know. We'll have to see. We still got a lot of time here on this hourly candle. What about the gap fill? Well, we got a gap fill potential for about a 100-point move back down. So 100-point move back down. Gap fill potential. Will she gap fill? We'll find out. Right now, the dollar pushing back up. The Nasdaq stuck here. Stuck there for now. Gap fill would put us all the way back down to yesterday's close. Yesterday's close was 812. That's about a 100-point move to the downside currently. So we've seen it happen. We have seen it happen before. It's not out of the ordinary. We're obviously sitting here on the 4-hour chart right now at this 920 area. We got this overall kind of downtrend on the bigger time frames. This channel, look at this channel right now on the 4-hour chart, pretty much just perfectly in this channel here. So looking at this chart right now, you're thinking, you know, maybe we want to test that 50, 60 level. Maybe, baby, you never know, ladies, gentlemen. On the pivot points right now, we've got a pivot point down there at the 885s. For adding your channels, pretty simple. You just look at the 4-hour chart here and look at the candlesticks, the tops of the candles right there. Draw your lines, basically. You kind of want those lines to be touching as many candles as possible for that trend, for that channel. So looking at the 4-hour chart right now, you can see we did dip below this channel, but I'm thinking, you know, we kind of like, that's a wiki wick. We got a wiki wick here. So really this could be like a little bit, maybe a little bit more down there if you don't want to count these wicks perfectly there. But right now, kind of looking interesting here. I don't know exactly. The dollar pushing back up. Dollar pushing back up there. The Nasdaq pushing back up. The ES breaking out to the upside. Up to the 25s now here on the Nasdaq. Good morning, good morning. It is currently 9:13 in the morning. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like, by the way. Free to like. Free to party. So right now, 4-hour chart, pretty clear the trend that we have going on. And if we have a repeat of yesterday, well, it's not going to be pretty for the bulls. That possible gap fill would basically put us all the way back down to this 800 level if we continue this. So maybe we push up into like this 50 area and then we get a really nice short to the downside. Dollar still showing some strength, pushing back up there. And let's see what happens here at open today. CNA minivans, thanks for the props. People calling me right now. Who the fuck calling me right now? All right, we're sitting back here. We are waiting. We are watching. 1-hour chart right now. Let's see what happens here today. Right now, the Nasdaq up there to the 26s. We had a really good signal here on the breakout indicator earlier, the market flow trend lines on liquidity indicator that you can get for free on TradingView, by the way. Right now, the market up about 100 points since then. So congratulations if you saw that earlier today, about 8 o'clock that popped off. All right, all right. Nasdaq pushing here, pushing. Up to almost to the 30s now. The ES, the Nasdaq, both squeezing higher currently. All right, all right. That pivot point up there to the upside at the 968s here, so that would be probably a good spot, right, with that trend line as well. We'll see if that plays out there for a short opportunity, possibly. We'll do the poll if we get 500 likes here on the stream. It's very simple. You help me out, help me help you, I'll help you. So help me help you, I help you. Right now on the 15-minute chart, we're going straight up here. So we'll see how she plays out. The dollar just popped out. Dollar just popped up there. Got a lot of data, a lot of news this week, so the market really just difficult week here. A lot of just kind of weird action. Yesterday was, in hindsight, looked really easy, but just wasn't it wasn't easy, I feel like. We got news coming out today here as well at 9:45. Wholesale inventory news, probably not that big of a deal. We had the jobless claims report came out, lower than expected. Continuing jobless claims, lower, better than expected, but lower than expected. Well, is that lower or is it better? I don't know. Something like that. Better than expected, basically. Initial jobless claims, so. Got some news that, like, we got a 4-bill week auction, 8-bill week auction, Atlanta Fed GDP number at 11:30. And then I think, tomorrow, we got a lot of news, tomorrow as well. Non-farm payroll tomorrow. So non-farm payroll tomorrow, that's normally a big mover. So 8:30 tomorrow, a lot of action. 8:30 tomorrow morning. Lots of action, lots of data coming out. I mean, literally like fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 12 different numbers, unemployment rate, a lot of numbers tomorrow. So 8:30 should be a lot of volatility tomorrow if you're trading at 8:30 tomorrow morning. Keep an eye out. It's going to get wild. I don't know how people are so confused about finding my indicator on TradingView. Guys, one more time. I'm going to it's simple. Type in market flow trend lines and liquidity. Don't overcomplicate this shit. Market flow trend lines and liquidity on TradingView. Just type it in, market flow trend lines and liquidity. It pops up. God damn it. People, fuck. I can't find the indicator. I can't find it. I don't have Bookmap on this computer. Everybody asks about Bookmap. You got to get it yourself. Link down below. Right now, the market going straight up here into open. We got 9 minutes till market opens. Wayne P, let's go fishing in the dry tortugas. I don't really give a fuck about dry tortugas, no offense. I don't do bottom fishing. Don't really. It's not my thing. Why don't you start earlier to catch the moves off of the news? If it was that easy. It's just not that easy. It's easy in hindsight to say, oh, I should have got long at 8:30 and then got rich. But it's not that easy, to be honest. What was the outcome of the fishing tournament? We basically tied for like 4th place. There was like pretty much 9th place through 4th place all caught 3 fish. The way that it is like whoever catches the 3rd fish first is ranked ahead of you. So the only way that you can jump above that person is to catch 4 fish. So we caught 3 fish. The winner had 4 fish. We were really fucking close. So we'll see. I see a lot of people asking me questions about what do I expect. Yeah, guys, you don't there's no expectations here. We just wait for a price action. If you have expectations, you're gonna get let down a lot. That's what I would say. So, don't worry about expectations. Just wait for the market to do what you want it to do. Right now, the market continuing to go higher and higher. If you guys haven't hit that like button, hit it right now. We'll get 500 likes here. Is there strategy in these fishing tournaments? Kind of. Waiting for the market to do things is expectations. Yes, I'm an idiot. That's not expectations. It's just we don't have expectations in terms of I'm not going to sit here and be like, okay, I think the market's going to go down at open. It's going to go up. This is going to happen then. It's like we're just waiting for something to happen. I'll help you out, Francis. You don't have to ever worry about having to comment in the chat ever again. Mart, asking about ICT, MFT. If you want to learn more about MFT, there's a link down below. Check it out. We still got 6 minutes here to the open. Why don't I trade regularly on Topstep TV? Because I have Patrick Wieland TV. I mean, I was doing a live stream on YouTube before Topstep TV was, so. Denise Williams, do you recommend waiting a bit after your algo posts the signal in case it takes it back? I mean, basically, once the candle closes, then the signal should be game on. Nasdaq still pushing up here, 35s. Dollar pulling back here. Dollar's pulling back. The ES, the Nasdaq, both going straight up right now. Everybody asking questions about what I think is going to happen. I'm not trying to think about what's going to happen, to be honest. I don't even want to. At this point, I have no idea. I'm waiting for the market to open because I don't want to have any bias going into the open, to be honest. I don't want to think it's a short and then if I can go straight up, I don't want to think it's a long and then it goes straight down. So everybody in the chat like wanting to know what's going to happen. Just, you know. Let's just be patient. Right now, the dollar pulling back. The ES going straight up. The Nasdaq going straight up into open here. So let's see what happens. The poll right now, 37% up, 63% down. I think we're going to go up. Fuck. Now the poll. Yesterday, the poll was the exact opposite. We went straight down 100 points. So, oh, man. See, now the poll is fucking with me. Now y'all fucking with me. Now y'all fucking with me with this poll. Damn it. I don't like the poll sometimes. I really don't like the poll sometimes. It fucks with my head. Because now if we go up, then I'm going to be all like, well, it's going to go down because the poll said it was going to go up or go down. So I don't fucking know. All right, the poll looking a little bit better now. 46% up, 54% down. So still pushing, man. Fucking A, up to the 40s now. The problem is I've been literally sitting here watching it go up since fucking the 10s now. We're up 30 points since we first started the live stream, and it's like, fuck. Should I have gotten long earlier there? The point, pivot point down there at the 884s. We've got 1 minute here till market opens, so let's see what happens. If you guys haven't hit that like button, hit it. 500 likes here gets the party going. We're live. We're doing it. It's happening. Welcome to the fucking #1 day trading show on YouTube. Here we go. 30 seconds, people. Patience is going to be key today. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4. Straight down. Down there to the 910s. Will we lose that 900 support? Bounce right off the 910s there. Woo! Wow. The ES, the Nasdaq, straight back up there. The ES going straight up. The Nasdaq should start to rip up here, I think. Right? Be thinking that. If we get through the 40s here on the Nasdaq now. $40 area key level. $40's coming up here. We should rip through the 40s. There we go, through the 40s now. What a trap to the downside there. The ES up to the 79s. Now what happens here? Still got that pivot point up there at the 68s to target. We get through here. Should go straight up through here. Up there to the 55s again. I think they want the 66s or higher. There we go. Right to the 60s. Beautiful. Right to that pivot point. Right to the trend line now. On the dot. Look at that. 60 fucking 8s on the dot, boys and girls. Now looking like we're in trouble. If we start to come back down here now. '50s holding up there. The ES kind of looking a little more strong than the Nasdaq here. If the ES pushes through the 80s, Nasdaq trying to go through the highs here again. Stuck up there at the 65s again, right at that resistance, still below that pivot point. Let's see what happens here at the 50s now. We start to dump back down. The ES pulling back. Dollar squeezing up here. Dollar's going straight up. Nasdaq just popped straight back up. Huh. Look at the dollar. Look at the ES right now. Nasdaq both showing a lot of strength here. We should go right through the highs now. Up there through the highs. I think we could go up to the 80s next. Took this long right here, looking for a push up to the 80s. Up there through the highs. I'm going to lock it in right there at the 80s now. Like I said, that squeeze, quick squeeze back up there to the 80s right there. Both the ES and the Nasdaq up to the highs there. 80 tapped. Right at that pivot point there again. Will we turn that pivot point into support? ES still looks like it wants to try to make a new high there. It has not made a new high yet. So the ES lagging here. Waiting to see what happens at the 70 level. We basically below 70 looks shorty. Above 70 looking like a pop. So watching 70s there. Like I said, below the 70s here, looking to see if we sell down. Let's see what happens through the 50s again. The ES still holding up over there. We need to get through that 50 level and then go straight down on the Nasdaq if we're going to start selling here. Got that 39 area down there to blow through. Someone's at my fucking front door right now. Okay, who comes to my front door at the fucking 9 a.m.? Will we sell through the 50s here? The ES is just holding up right now, so it's very questionable to see which way we go here. I think we're going to sell. I don't know. Let's see. Down there through the 50s. Let's head straight down here, boys. Give up all that gain this morning. Through the 40s. We lose this 40 support, it's going to be fucking game over. Game over below 40s. Let's lose that 40s here. Bouncing there at the 40s again. Through the 40s, we should dump. Just got to get through that 40 support from earlier. We just tap in those lows there multiple times. They're holding it up for now, so 40 held once again. Oh, come on, 40s. The ES moving back down to the lows, testing that low again. The dollar popping up here. Holding there at the 14 EMA for now. She's looking dumpy. Basically, as long as we stay below 60s, this should sell down. Through the 40s here. Yes. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Let's do it. Through this low here. Through the low. Take me to the party town. I want low 30s here. Wait for this through the 30s. Come on. Don't stop right there again. She's going to break it. We're going low 30s. We're going low 30s. It's going to happen right here, right now. 35. Just get through the 35s there. Right there at the 40s. Just holding up there. This is the 2-minute chart, by the way. 2-minute chart we're looking at. Looking for the sell through here. Take out this low and then move down through the 30s. Come on. Right here, right now. There we go. There we go. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Daddy likey. Daddy, 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 daddy. He likes. He likes. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Down there through the 30s. Looking for this move down from the 40s here. Like I said, was looking for that break through the 40s. Down there to the 20s. Give me some more. Give me some more. Fuck it. I'm riding this bitch. I'm riding it. I'm riding it. 20 points. Moving my stop here just to guarantee I lock in 20 points at least. I don't want to be stupid. Might get stopped right here. Let's see. 25, stop. Let's fucking go. Moving my stop again. Right down there, 21. Just to guarantee profit there. And there we go. Locking it down. Like I said, was looking for this move through the 40s. And that's what we got. You gotta find somebody to love. I love it. I love it. I love it. I like it. I like it. Still going down there. 15s now. Like I said, through the fucking 40s, we're going downtown, baby. Guess where we went? We went fucking downtown. Down there to the 14s. Still going. Still going. Down there to the 10s. This thing won't fucking stop. You gotta love this. Look at that, bouncing right off the low from earlier. We went right through the fucking 40s. Game on. Like I said, through that 40 level. Right there, through the 40s, it was a fucking murder. We murdered it. We murdered it, boys. Fucking murder. We couldn't have murdered it any more than that. You know what I mean? Like, it was shoo, 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 shoo. Now the question is, do we sell all the way down through the 900s next? Want somebody to love. We still got more room to the downside, to be honest. So, yeah, about that. We're going for that gap fill, I think. We're going to get that fucking gap fill today, boys. We're going to get this fucking gap fill. I don't know if we're going to get it all the way, but, like, I mean, it's, you know, it's looking juicy. Oh, baby. Turbo Thursdays. We're fucking doing it live on YouTube every goddamn day. Winning, winning, winning. Winning, winning, winning. It's hard to be this good looking and also just so damn good at this game. You know? You know what I mean? It's just hard. It's hard being so damn good looking. Look at that dump, though. I mean, come on. Through the fucking 40s, down there to the 900s. Does it get any better than this? I don't think so. You ain't gonna find nobody doing it like this, boys and girls. Maybe somebody, I don't know. But pretty damn good. Somebody to Ripping it back up there now. We bounced right off the VWAP, by the way. If you don't know where the VWAP is, look where the VWAP was. Look at the VWAP bounce there. Right off the VWAP there at the 889s. Is it a coincidence? I think so. VWAP, bouncy bounce. VWAP bounce, 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 baby. All right, let's see what happens here next. Dollar kind of just chopping around. The Nasdaq back up there to the upside right now, bouncing off the VWAP there for now. So VWAP acting as support. We still got that big gap fill to the downside there. Won't you be my lover, lover? What an insane move there. Let us know in the chat, are you guys green or red today? Let me know in the chat. Up or down today? How are you sitting right now? Wanna be my lover? Looking like a bear flag here on the 3-minute chart right now. Both the ES, the Nasdaq, both sitting here. If we get back below that 900 level, we should dump right down. So let's see what happens here, 900s. If we dump through there, 905s. Back up to the 14 EMA. If we get back above 32s, we might start squeezing back up here, to be honest. Let's see. Watching this 30 area to see if we start to squeeze back up. Little trap possibly there. Both the ES and the Nasdaq back down off that push up. So little trappy traps. Still holding up there above the VWAP for now. We push back up into that little fair value gap there. Now chopping around here at the 900s. Dollar squeezing up there. Should sell through 900s here. Let's see. $905 area. Still at that opening range right now. We got that VWAP down there at the 91s right now, so just kind of chopping here. I think we'll sell through 900s sooner than later, but right now we just kind of chopping around here at the 900s. Just got to get through 900 here. Right there at the opening range now. We got to get back below that opening range, and I think we can sell down here. We just got to kind of keep getting stuck right here at the 20s. Right there at the 14 EMA. This should... Ugh. They're trying to take out that low, but the ES are right there at the lows. The ES wants to go lower. Nasdaq wants to go lower. We get through 900s. It's game on. Down, I think, back to like the 60s. Just got to get out of this opening range here. Staying below the 14 EMA, definitely bearish here to get this break to the downside. We had a signal on the 1 minute chart here for a short. They're early from the 23s, so we're kind of just chopping around for here for now. Consolidating. ES doesn't want to make a new low. The Nasdaq's sitting right there as well. Dollar's selling off here. Be careful. This could fucking start squeezing back up right now the way it's looking. I don't like how it keeps holding those lows there. Holding those lows, I don't like it. There's a little pump back up. Will they actually get it moving, or is that a trap? They're trapping. Trap or die right here. Looking, I don't know, fucking. She wants it up, I think. Now we can't get that low at 900s. It's going to want to trap or push back up here, so be careful, like I said. If you're short down there, just doesn't want to go lower. It's got to do something, so. Going to trap around here for a minute. You always got to love when a bear flag breaks to the upside. Always my favorite. There she goes. Straight back up through the 40s now. See if there's going to be a trap here. And look at that. They trapped him. You gotta love it. Right back down there to the 15s. Dollar's trying to pump up here, but Nasdaq just can't figure out which way it wants to go. back up again. Oh my baby Jesus. What the fuck? This is pretty funny, actually. Check this out. I was messing around in this combine right here today. Just trying to trade really aggressive in this combine, and now I'm up $21,000 in this combine right now. What the fuck? I couldn't, like, literally, it's fucking hilarious. Like, how do I make $20,000 in this combine right here? I don't know. I don't even know. It's pretty bad. It's hilarious. Hey, it's Patrick. Good, just checking in. All right. Sounds good. Thanks, man. All right. Market holding that 40 level right now. What the fuck? I gotta lose money in this fucking combine. I gotta lose like fucking $10,000. Should I just go short right here? Should we try to lose some money in this combine together? Let's see if we can lose some money in this combine. Let's see. I think what? Go short right now? Let's try. I gotta lose fucking $10,000 here. There we go. All right, we're losing money, baby. We're short from the 39s here. Do the opposite of me, by the way. Don't do what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to lose money, by the way, guys. I'm trying to lose money right here, so please don't follow me. I'm short, so maybe you want to get long. It's working. We're going to try to get it. We need this to go down. Come on. There we go. We're up 3. We're losing 3,000, 4,000. Keep going, baby. Come on. This is a combine, guys. People asking me in the chat right now. This is a combine. I made way too much money in this combine, so we're trying to lose money because we can't fucking make $15,000 in a combine. Relax, everybody. We're trying to lose money on purpose. All right, I'm going to try to get flat right there. Fuck. It's going to keep going. I'm going to short it again. I just got to keep fucking losing money here. Come on, don't. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Keep going. Keep losing it. Keep losing it. All right, I'm going to try to long right here again and see if it'll drop on me. All right, now I'm long. See if it'll drop. There we go. We're losing another. We're down 1,500. All right. You guys have pretty much seen me lose $5,000 here in the last 3-4 minutes. So I need to lose money right here. It's hard to lose money sometimes, to be honest. Like, it's just tricky to lose money sometimes. Have you ever had that? I know you guys have had that. Fuck. All right, we're down to 9,000 now. What do we think? We're going to pop here? Yeah, I think we're going to pop here. I'm going to short. I'm going to short it again. Come on. Oh, fuck. Help me lose money. Go, baby, go. No, go up, 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 up. Fuck. Why is it so hard to lose money right now? Go, baby, go. There we go. Come on. Pop it, pop it, pop it. There we go. We're going. It's looking good. Come on. Pop it all the way through. We got that pivot point up there at the 68s. I'll look to cover my short at the 68s. Come on. Fuck. It's working. It's working. The ES just made a new high here. The Nasdaq should go up there to the 68s. There we go. There we go. I don't want to lose too much. All right, now we're down. We went from 15,000. Now we're to 7,000. So I covered my short there at the 68s. All right, let's see if I can. I think maybe we were going to reverse here at this pivot point, you know? Fuck. Still going straight up. I need to get, I'm going to try a long right here. See if I lose. Can get a pullback here off this pop. There we go. Oh, come on. Pull back here. Don't pop. I don't want to make any money. No, no, no. Oh, fuck me. Fuck. Come on. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. There we go. Oh. Come on, just dump it right here. 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 No. 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 Dump it. Wow. Pull it back. Fuck me. Pull back, pull back, pull back, right here. Here we go, there we go, there we go. It's looking good. Ooh, I think we're good now. We're good to go. 159,688. All right. So there we did it. We did $10,000, baby. We lost $10,000. If you would have done the opposite of those trades, like I said, to do the opposite, you would have made $10,000. Anyone who says that I don't know how to trade, well, there you go. I just did it exactly the opposite of, I just showed you guys me losing $10,000. But it's actually hard because I was trying to lose money on purpose. By the way. So it's not just like, oh. I mean, the haters can clip it all you want. So check out the indicator, the Patrick Wieland indicator right here. Check this out. We had a buy signal there off the 41s. And we have now pushed up there to almost the high of day again. So congratulations. Anybody that is sitting pretty right now. Good old Patrick Wieland indicator, printing money here today. Ooh, buddy, look at that drop. That's what I was looking for earlier when I got long at the top there. Whee! Well, that was fun. Always fun to lose some money on purpose. It's actually, like I said, it's actually hard. It's hard to lose money sometimes. Like if you're trying to lose money. Because in the Topstep Combine, you cannot have more than 50% profit for one day. So, you know, you got to basically, if you make too much money, you've got to lose money. And I've had days where it's actually like, you're like, fuck, I just can't lose. It's fucking difficult to lose sometimes. But it's funny because I literally just made $10,000 trying to lose money. Or I lost $10,000 on purpose. So it's like, what if I just traded that exact way? You know what I mean? What, like, you think, you guys just saw me live lose $10,000 on purpose. So if I would have just actually been trading to make that $10,000, just trading the same exact way, it's funny. No emotions in losing on purpose. I agree. You're right. I was up over $20,000 in that account earlier. So we pushed up perfectly. We pushed up there to that pivot point and a little pop above it. We pulled back now. The ES still going straight up. The dollar pulling back here. If I was a gambling man, which I guess I am kind of a gambling man when you think about it, I would say that this looks like the Nasdaq wants to push higher. What do you think? We bounced off that pivot point down there as well. So pivot point, bounce, back to the pivot points. The pivot points are real, my friends. So you got to love it. The pivot points are real. All right, we'll see what happens here. Market going straight back up. Dollar selling off. I think the Nasdaq wants to go. The ES is going straight up here. 84s now on the ES. If it keeps going the way it's going, I think we got no problem that we can't go higher here. Go up there. Take out this high right here earlier at the 82s. Through the 82s, be looking for that 16,000 push. Will we get it here? The $1 million question. Heyo, wow. Through the 82s, all the way up there to the 92s. A 10-point pop through the highs there. Are you not impressed? 10 points right there. Ding, 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 ding. It's still going. We want that 16,000 push. 16,000 pushies. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. 94s. Can we go all the way to that whole dollar? Hollow dollar there, 16,000s to the highs up there. Satisfaction. Tomorrow's Hanukkah, by the way. Happy Hanukkah to anybody who celebrates Hanukkah. Congratulations. Well, I don't know if you say congratulations, but congratulations, it's Hanukkah. Haha, how awesome. Yeah, so tomorrow is Hanukkah for anybody out there. Anyone celebrate Hanukkah in the chat? First day of Hanukkah. Trying to think about today, kind of the lessons that we learned today. So I would say, well, we pretty much learned that once the market don't want to go down, it's going to go back up, and that's exactly what it did. Kind of interesting too, because if you look at this, we kind of went right. We took out this low, that kind of wick there. So we took out that low, right? That was there earlier, and we kind of trapped below the opening range. We then turned it into support right there, and then there was that rocket ship back up. And guess what we did? We took out this high. So we had the low from earlier, we had this high here. We took out the low and then ripped it right back up there to that high now. So I would say that we're going to take out 16,000s there next. What do you guys think? I might be I doubt that we're going to reverse back down here now. After taking out that low liquidity down there, holding up there at the 900s and then ripping back up, I'm thinking there's a bullish move to come through the 16,000s next. That's just my, if I had to if I had to make a educated guess here, I'd say through 16,000s next. If it happens, I want you all to go ahead and hit the like button 500 million fucking times. Dropping the mic here for the boys. To a high so far of 96.50. Can we go all the way? Can she go all the way, baby? I think we're gonna just kind of base out here, and then we got that 16,000 break. She wants it. Let's see. Look at that fucking. I mean, I know. Someone's gonna be like, but Patrick, you never the indicator. I don't know. I mean, fuck it. We got through the 20s, moved down there to the 80s. That's 40 points here, right? 40 points. 40 points. That's 40 points, right? I think. If you got short when this candle closed there from the 20s down there, we'll just say I'll call it, let's just say 20 points. Let's say you got 20 points there. 20 points on that move. From this breakout here, 40s up there to the 90s, what, fucking 50 on that one? Let's go, boys. That's SOS. Shit out of luck. But, SOL. SOS. Shit, oh shit. My little shit. So, the Patrick Wieland indicator printing today, boys. We got the opening range there. We've got the breakout signals. Let's see if we can kind of mess around with the settings. See, I haven't I want to see, let's see if we can make the slope. Let's change the slope here. If we change it, let's change it to 1.1 and see what happens. Nothing. What the fuck? Oh, there it goes. Now it moved. So I'm just trying to figure out 0.95. Let's see what happens. Nope. So I think we want to go up, right? We want to kind of go up here. So like 1 point, what's 1.2 look like? $1.2 slope. That looks pretty good there. 1.2 slope there. She wants that push to the 16,000s. I know it. MXPRPG, does it show FGs? Why do you keep... Did you ask on Twitter every fucking time I posted about it saying, does it show fair value gaps? Literally, every fucking day you've asked that question. It does not. It does not show it. God. We're turning the 15-minute opening range high into support right now, so... Let's see if we get this push all the way through the 16,000s there next. Dude, I fucking go to Sands last night. And get there, no fucking ropes.
Let me explain.
No, I swear to God, I looked everywhere. I'm like, where the fuck? I'm like, did they steal my ropes? Like, why the fuck would they steal my ropes? I did not look in the anchor locker. I looked everywhere. I looked in the fucking, like, every possible.
On my dad's boat, the anchor locker has a little compartment up there, and that's where we put all the ropes. But that one doesn't. Obviously, I know that.
I mean, we put them, there's that fucking underground thing we put them on. Fucking asshole. Literally got all the way to Sands. Fucking, I'm fucking starving. I'm looking for ropes. The guy's like waiting for me to throw the rope, and I'm like,
They don't have ropes there?
no, they don't.
That's pathetic, too.
Yeah, well, that's also pathetic. But I look like a fucking moron. I'm like, I swear I have ropes out here. I don't know where the fuck they went.
Call me anytime, man.
God. Well, I didn't think to call you because I was like, I thought that I took them off the boat or something. I was like, and I didn't want to be like, call you and be like, no, I didn't touch them. So I came back here and looked everywhere for them, and I'm like, where in the fuck did they go? We need to put extra. I have more ropes. I got like 2 more dock lines. I want to just put somewhere in there that like don't ever get used as like fucking safety backups. Fucking A. Fucking A. Did we pop through 1600? 1602. I'm talking to my my mate, my one of the guys on the team, my fishing team. I got a full-time team now. I got a captain. I got a mate. We do this shit serious right here. I got people depending on me. All right, I think I'm fucking over it. I don't like that we pulled back right there, to be honest. Now it might just chop around up here for a little bit longer, so we'll see. But right now, happy with that. We had some good trades. Fucking just kind of wanted to get back into it today and just take it easy, but definitely had some good opportunities to make some money today. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be trading tomorrow or not. I might go fishing tomorrow, so I might take tomorrow off. We'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll see. The blue lines right here, these are your take profit. You can set your take profit, kind of take profit ideas. Like if you want 3 to 1, 6 to 1, 12 to 1. I don't know how. I don't actually know what I think that might just be 3 points. Or so if you get long here, yeah, that's only 3 points, basically, I think. Or no, I don't fucking get it. Wait, what the fuck? I don't know exactly how those are calculated, to be honest. It's my indicator, but I didn't fucking write the code for it, to be honest. You know, I'm not a fucking coder. I'm not sure what those mean. Take profits, I don't know what they're calculated by. I don't know. What is that? Need to figure that out. But if you guys want to learn more, the Lux Algo market flow trend lines and liquidity indicator right there. It's real. It's live. So there it is. Put it on your chart. Trade it. Use it. Love it. Don't fight the trend. We had a fucking move this morning, my friends. Absolutely beautiful move from the 840s up there to the 980s. We pulled back. We pushed back up. It's all around. The market's up. It's down. And right now we're above that pivot point there at the 68s. We got stuck there. We pushed up there to the 16,000s. Hey, I didn't tell you it was going to 16,200. I said we were going to break 16,000. So, you know, yeah, I can't always be right. All right, but I was right. 16,000. Ding, 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 ding. So, we're happy with that. So, I'm going to walk away. I got some stuff I got to deal with the boat and just deal with life over here. Life is sometimes distracting or takes a lot of time sometimes. 16,002. Yeah, fuck, see, I did it. 2 points above 16,000. I didn't say it was going to go to the moon. I just said it was going to hit 16,000, all right? All right. I still think it can go higher, though. The dollar is in a downtrend. Just kind of see what happens here. Above 16,000, I'd say 38 to the 40 level. Elizabeth, I'm not 100% sure. I got to talk to the guys at Lux Algo what those TPs actually are calculated based on. So yeah, about that. I will say if you really like it, if you really want to get crazy sometimes, like I don't know like how crazy you want to get with this indicator, but like if you really wanted to get crazy, like if you put it on the bigger time frames, like this was it had a break to the downside, but this breakout this morning at fucking 4:15, it's funny because it literally went sideways pretty much all morning after that, but that's about 200 point move there on the 15-minute chart. So the bigger time frames, you're not going to get as many signals, but you definitely, when you do get those signals, you're going to get a lot, better, I guess, bigger R&R. I try to to be honest, I really think the 2-minute chart is probably the best in terms of the safest kind of opportunities for those breakouts. You're not going to get as many signals, obviously, but you can see here, we got that candle to close. We turned that line into support. I mean, the high on that candle right there was 60. There we go again, trying to push 16,000s. Like I said, that 1630 area up there next, that's the previous day high. So 1630, I think they would want to run that 1638 level up there. So just what I'm thinking if they were going to do it. If I was going to make the markets right now, I'd want to run that 38 level. So there she goes through the 16,000s once again. 1607, 1606s. All right. There it is. Another day, another dollar. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, I will see you guys, if not tomorrow, I'll see you next Monday. I'll see you at some point. I don't know. I'll just see you. If I'm not here, you know where I'm at. And it's not here. It's probably on the boat. If I'm not on this live stream, I'm probably out fishing, enjoying my life. So there it is. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I'll talk to you guys on the flip side. Ugh. All right. What do you like more, trading or fishing? Well, I think it's pretty self-explanatory there, my friend. Definitely want to go fishing more than I want to sit here and go trading. Yes, sir. All right, I'll see you guys later on. If I'm not live tomorrow, you know I'm out fishing and enjoying my life. So, little word to the wise. Also, you should try to enjoy your life more. You know, take some days off. You don't have to trade every day. Nothing wrong with just making money and walking away. I'll see you guys on the flip side. What do the successful 10% of the people out there have going for them that's different from the others? Community. Hoping and praying is not a strategy. We got people in our community making $10,000 in a day. And I'm just like, we trade without risking our own money. We keep it simple and we trade the market flow.
You can have all the education in the world, but it's not enough.
All these other courses, if you don't get mentoring and guidance on a regular basis, you're going to be a 7 to 10 year journey.
There are so many people in this community that are more than willing and able to help you out.